Hello, welcome back. I'm glad that you have found the concept that I taught in Part A is useful in solving the problem sums, and now I'm going to show you how I use the concept of simultaneous equations to solve Part B. It is also important for us to note that for questions that come with a Part A and B, the answer that we found in Part A is useful in helping us to solve Part B. Now let's take a look at Part B. How many liters of drink did Yan make? As I mentioned just now, it's important for us to refer to the answer that we have gotten in Part A to help us in answering Part B. So in Part A, we know that the difference of one big bottle and one small bottle, that is 0.8 liter. So from here, I can form the first equation, which is one big bottle is equals to one small bottle plus 0.8 liter. From the question itself, I can also form this equation, which is 3 big bottles plus 5 small bottles equals to 7.2 liters. And this is a pair of simultaneous equations. To solve a pair of simultaneous equations, what we have to do is to first make an item the same. In this case, I have chosen to make the big bottle the same. To do that, I just have to multiply the first equation by 3, and this is what I will get. 3 big bottles equals to 3 small bottles plus 2.4 liter. And then I can choose to either use elimination or substitution to solve this. In this question, I will choose substitution because I find it easier. A lot of the times, mathematical questions can be solved by different methods, just that by experience, you'll be able to tell which method will give you the answer faster. So to do substitution, what I have to do is over here, 3b plus 5s equals to 7.2 liter. Since I already know that 3b is also equals to 3s plus 2.4 liter, what I can do is I just substitute it like that. And then from this step onwards, it will be a lot easier. What I have to do is just to solve according to the objective. Because I need to find out the total amount that Yan made, what I have to find out is both one large bottle and the small bottle. So to solve this, I will have 8s equals to 7.2 liter minus 2.4 liter. And thereafter, I'll be able to get one small bottle is 0.6 liter. From here, I also need to find out what is one large bottle, which is just simply 0.6 liter plus 0.8 liter, and that's where I get 1.4 liter. In order to solve Part B, I need to refer back to the model that I've drawn in Part A, which is this one. So as you can see over here, we are finding the question mark, which is the total amount of drink that Yan make. In order to do that, let's take a look at the second situation. 3 large bottles plus 5 small bottles over here, that is 7.2 liter. And to fill one more small bottle, which we have already found the answer, which is 0.6 liter, she will have 0.3 liter of the water left. So if I want to find the total drink, I just need to add up 7.2 liter plus 0.6 liter as well as 0.3 liter over here to reach this red line. And that's where I got my answer for Part B, 8.1 liter. The concepts I have used in solving these questions are 2-if as well as simultaneous equations. A lot of the times, if the students know of what is the concept, it becomes easier for them to solve the problem sums because they don't have to wandering around and try a lot of different methods. And the most common method they will usually use when they don't know how to do a question is guess and check. That is very time consuming, and we don't encourage our students to do that because once they spend more time on the question, that means that they have lesser time to spend on other questions. So concepts is really useful to help our students in cutting the time they spend on individual problem sums. If you want to find out more of our other 13 concepts, you can visit us at mathscholars.com.sg. Thank you.